Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, everyone. My name is Farid Qadhafi, and I'm from Cross Cultural A2 class. So, in this video, I want to share to you guys about non-verbal communication. So, I will explain you about non-verbal communication. So, we go on. We go to the definition of non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication is the transmission of messages or signal through a non-verbal platform such as eye contact, facial expression, gesture, posture, and distance between two individuals. Non-verbal communication plays a significant role in our lives as it can move persons' ability to relate, enrich, and establish meaningful interaction in everyday life. So, a better understanding of this type of communication may lead people to develop stronger relationships with each other. So, next we go to the type of non-verbal communication. So, we go to the first type of non-verbal communication. The first one is facial expression. Facial expression are a form of non-verbal communication that have a big responsibility for a huge proportion of non-verbal communication. Consider how much information can be conveyed with a smile or a frown. The look on a person's face is often the first thing we see, even before we hear what they have to say. So the example is people expression when they speak. The one is smiling, tell them that they are really happy. So the opposite one tell them that they have some problems with that with their lives, or maybe they have some something that can tell to you guys. So we go to the second type of nonverbal communication. So the second type of nonverbal communication is paralinguistics. Paralinguistics refers to vocal communication that is separate from actual language. This includes factors such as tone of voice, loudness, inflection, and pitch. Consider the powerful effect that tone of voice can have on the meaning of a sentence. For example, when said in a strong tone of voice, listener might interrupt as approval or enthusiasm. And the same word say in hesitant tone of voice might convey disapproval or maybe lack of interest. Just like, for example, another example, when people have some oration in front of the class or maybe in front of many people, they use a strong tone because it will interpret by the listener as enthusiasm and as an oration, as a big oration. Okay, so next we go to the third types of nonverbal communication. The next one is body language. Body language is a very common thing that we do. So body language is a type of nonverbal communication in which physical behavior as opposed to the words are used to express or convey the information. Such behavior includes a facial expression, body posture, gestures, eye movement, touch, and use of space. So, how can we know a good body language is? When you learn in class and your teacher explain, is it it can be really good if the teacher use body language to explain the material, because it can make the student easily to understand what he or she means and understand the material. Okay, we go to the last one of the nonverbal communication, the last type of nonverbal communication. Okay, so the last type of nonverbal communication here is eye gaze. Eye gazing is the act of looking into someone's eyes for extended amounts of time. So it's a powerful, intimate practice that can help you become closer to another person. After all, eyes are the most expressive facial features. They can communicate a range of social cues on an emotion, which can influence our social interaction. So, many people use eye gaze for just communicate around themselves, such as maybe a basketball player, they if they know each other well, just by using their eyes they can know what movement it will be, or maybe where will the pass he gave. Okay, so I think that is all from today's video about a non-verbal communication. So thank you for watching this video. Sorry if I have any mistakes in explaining all the materials today. So thank you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.